Hi, this is lesson 1 of volume. We're looking at how to use centilitres to order and compare volume. So here we have that 1/10 of a litre is 100 millilitres. So we're having a look at this. We've got 1/10 of a litre, we know it's 100 millilitres. 3/10 of a litre, what do you think that might be? Correct, 300 millilitres. What about 9/10 of a litre? Correct, 900 millilitres. Now we've got 1 whole and 7/10. So 1 whole is 1,000 millilitres. 7/10 is 700, so it's 1,700. What about this one? Can you work it out? 2,500. Have a look at the ones down here. Can you work out what they would be in litres? Here's the answer. Did you get them right? Half a litre. You could have written 5/10. We've got 8/10 of a litre. You could also write 4/5. We've got 3 and 4/10 of a litre. 5 and 1/10 litre. Have a look at these volumes up here. Can you write them in order, starting with the smallest? Here it's started for you. Here's the answer, from smallest to largest. I'm sure yours looks a little bit neater than mine. What we need to remember is that in 1 litre, there's 100 centilitres. 1 centilitre is worth 10 millilitres. So here we have 5 centilitres is 50 millilitres. 75 centilitres, 750 millilitres. Okay, here's what I'd like you to do. So I'd like you to do page 91 of Heinemann. It's attached into your assignments. Now, remember, date and title, number each question, rewatch the video if you're stuck.